Hello everyone, my name is Aida. In this video, I'm going to present my final modular product. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the issue, which is electronic issue that inspired me to make this model. So the brief information about electronic waste are about 20 to 50 million metric tons of e-waste are disposed worldwide every year. Majority of electronic products were discarded in landfills, which can release certain toxins into the air. Only 17% of e-waste is currently recycled sustainably. The amount of e-waste is rising at rapidly rate, which can cause the environment and health. From learning about the e-waste, the problem that I want to focus on is the reason why are your earbuds breaking. So the most common reason which are pulling earbuds cord when disconnecting them. Secondly, leaving earphones dangling off the table. Other than that, wrap the earbuds cable around your mobile device. And lastly, carrying earphones without a case. So the solution is by creating a functional modular product using sustainable materials with a purpose to take it off your own electronic equipment. This product is using sectional modularity, which basically means there is no common bus or base element to interface with other elements. The product has a stackable feature to keep workstation clean and organized. Both of the element boxes have small storage for the earphone and other smaller electronic equipment. 95% of the product is made out of PP plastic. The other 5% is using plywood. These are the previous design. Here are the digital model and their features. These are the equipments that I use for this product. Iron cast wok, wooden spoon, silicone mold, wooden sticks, something heavy and flat for compression. So the majority of materials that I use is polypropylene plastic. This plastic can be made translucent but usually is opaque or brightly colored. PP plastic can commonly found in bottle caps, plastic containers, and drink containers. Moving on, the life cycle of the product from the manufacturer, which is you, sell it to retailers or straight to the consumer. From there, you came up like about 4 ways which consumer can store the product. The consumer can either send to refurbishers, recyclers, collectors. Lastly, the not recommended waste management, which can lead to landfills. These are my system thinking. So we start at the electronic waste. So from electronic waste, you can either discard or keeping, but I recommended to go with keeping it, which is basically I create this electronic storage, and from that materials that I use can reuse and recycle, and from there the manufacturer is I'm using the stove, which basically use energy, and the other ways to use is microwave or oven, and the use after that the usage, which is it's low durability but can recycle, and you can dispose, basically you can recycle back, you can reduce the plastic waste due to use of materials, and from there you go the cycle again. After that, I did some competitor analysis. The first competitor is an indirect competitor, which basically the product has similar idea, and one of the main strength is able to carry around, which is portable. They can carry around when they travel, and the weakness of the product is not recyclable and non-biodegradable. The second competitor is a first-tier competitor. This product has a better strength, which is the product have aluminium rods that can put anywhere and have 4 cable management slots. However, the weakness is that the exposure to moisture and require high maintenance.
In this video, I will do my own experimentation on the plastic. Thank you for listening to my presentation.